Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to introduce to you this 2019 69 registration Lightning Silver Aston Martin Vantage. So this is a car that we supplied from new, so we've looked after it all the way through. And it's a lovely sporty specification. We said it before a number of times, but Lightning Silver is always fantastic for showing up the contours of the Vantage's incredible lines. And you can probably pick out here the pearlescent element to this colour. So in some lights it looks like what could be described as a conventional silver, but then in other lights you can see a bluey tint to it. It's a really, really great colour. Now, looking around the car, first of all, it's got the lower black pack, which gives us the black glows of the body there, including the diffuser and side skirts, and we'll see that around in the front in a moment. That's matched with black window surrounds, and then we've got these beautiful gloss lightweight forged alloys that just complete the look. And as we scan around the car, you'll see they're in beautiful condition. Of course, the mileage is incredibly low on this vehicle, so the paintwork's in very, very good condition. There's the odd tiny little chip, but ultimately it's exceptional. Now let's take a look at the stunning interior. So if I open the door, we'll have a look. So teamed with Lightning Silver is this dark night and ivory leather. It's a very dark navy blue dark night, and it's just lovely to have that splash of lightness with the ivory that breaks everything up and gives it a bit of a lighter feel. And the ivory even extends if I scan up to the headlining. So it's a leather headlining in this car, and you've got that ivory stripe down the middle, so it looks really sporty. And these ivory elements just bring out all of the contours of the cabin. And this is a well-spec car, so it's got the upgrade seat. So as standard, you've got 8-way electrical adjustment. This has got 16-way, including multi-lumbar support adjustments, and of course memory on either side. It's got heated seats and electric steering wheel column adjustment, electronic touchpad for the infotainment system, and the glass switches there. Then another nice option this has got, in addition to the parking sensors front and rear, is a perimeter camera system, which gives you a bird's eye view of the car as you're parking the screen, which is just, it's so useful. Final thing to mention is this has got the Sports Plus seats, which are the more contoured seats, and they're really comfortable. They hold you in place really well, particularly as the Vantage is capable of cornering at such high speeds. Through to the boots. So Vantage is actually an extremely practical car. So you've got decent boot space, certainly plenty of room for a trip away. You've also got a bit of soft luggage space behind the front seat. You can slip a few bits down there, maybe some jackets and so on, or a small bag. This item here is a divider, so if I bring that up and put it in place, essentially it is where the trim here meets the cabin. So you can close off the boot, or you can have it open. Having it closed improves sound quality, the amount of noise that comes through into the cabin, although it does allow, with it down, more of the exhaust bellow to come through. But this just creates a really useful shelf for jackets and so on that you can access easily from the cabin without having to reach all the way through to the boot. So there we go, great size boots. The only other thing to mention at the back end of the car is these quad exhausts with black tailpipe finishes. Vantage just makes an incredible noise, so the quad sports exhaust is a superb option to have. So there we have it. So this car actually has 5 years servicing from date of registration and the remainder of the 3-year warranty. It's in incredible condition, it's a lovely spec, and it's there ready to be enjoyed. Thank you for watching this video.